1 by 1. In all these expressions, we will use one algebraic identity, that is a square minus b square, and we can write it as a plus b times a minus b. So now we will take them one by one. Here the first expression is 16x square minus 25y square. Now we have to factorize it. So we know that 16 is the square of 4 and 25 is the square of 5. So we can write it as 4x whole square minus 5y whole square. So now we will further factorize it as by using this algebraic identity, that is a plus b times a minus b. This means we can write it as 4x plus 5y times 4x minus 5y. So these will be the factors of this given expression. Now we will take the second expression. Here the second expression is 27x square minus 12y square. Now we will factorize it. Now 27, we know that it is 3 times 9. So we can write it as 3 times 9 x square as it is minus, in place of 12 we can write 3 times 4 and y square as it is. Now from these two terms we can take 3 common. So 3 we will write outside, and here we left with 9x square minus here we left with 4y square. So 3 again we will write as it is. Now 9 is the square of 3, so we can write it as 3x whole square minus 4 is the square of 2. So we can write as 2y whole square. Close the bracket. Now here again we will use the algebraic identity, that is a square minus b square. And we will further factorize it as a plus b times a minus b. This means now we can write it as 3x plus 2y times 3x minus 2y. So these will be the factors of this given expression. Now similarly we will do the third expression. So here the third is 144a square 144a square minus 289b square. Now 144, it is square of 12. So 12 square is 144 and 17 square is 289. So that's why we can write it as 12a whole square minus 17b whole square. Now again we will use here the identity a square minus b square. So we will factorize it as 12a plus 17b times 12a minus 17b. So these will be the factors of this given expression. Now we will solve the fourth one. Here the fourth one is 12m square minus 27. 12m square minus 27. So 12 we can write it as 3 times 4 m square as it is minus, in place of 27 we can write 3 times 9. Now from these two we will take 3 common and we will write it outside, and here we left with 4m square minus 9. Now 3 we will write again as it is. Now in place of 4m square we can write 2m whole square minus, in place of 9 we will write 3 square. This means again here we will use the algebraic identity, that is a square minus b square, and we will expand it as a plus b times a minus b. So 2m plus 3 times 2m minus 3. So these will be the factors of this given expression. That's all. Thank you.